Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app. Now from here tap on three dots, then go to settings. After that go to supplementary services and give it a moment. Now from here go to call forwarding, then tap on allow. Now here you can see two options, voice calls and video calls. You have to select voice calls from here and then tap on always forward. Now from here type the number that you want to forward your call. Also if you select number from your contact list, then just tap on this icon and then choose contact from here. If I select this and then tap on enable and give it a moment again, and it's done. Now if you tap on always forward again, now you can see in my phone call forward is enabled. If you want to disable it, just tap on disable and then tap on always forward again, and you can see it's disabled. And that is how you can enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.